Hi friends, I just got an electric power steering system for my Lada Granta. The problem is that when I turn the steering wheel to its full lock position, the control unit starts to crackle. I'm going to remove the 6 transistors and check them now. I suspect one of them is faulty. Before desoldering, remember where the keys are on the transistors. The key is where the large dot is in the corner. I've memorized this and will now desolder them using a hairdryer. This is what the transistor looks like from the back. The transistor is in the crystal, and the crystal is on the heatsink. Everything is glued together. Now I'll solder each pad and then test them on a transistor tester. I'm currently checking the transistors for voltage. They can handle 32.5 volts, which is normal. The transistor is intact. Oh no, friends, unfortunately, part of the video was lost. I checked all the transistors, and they were intact. Afterwards, I re-soldered them to the board and gave it to the owner for inspection. I suspected there might have been a bad solder joint on one of the transistors. I then returned the amplifier to the owner and gave it a month's warranty. After installation, the sound disappeared. About 4 months have passed, and everything is working properly. It turns out the problem was poor soldering on the transistors. Transistors are quite difficult to solder because you can't tell from the bottom whether they're soldered or not. That's intuitive. Unfortunately, the video was lost, and 4 months later, everything is working properly. The problem was bad soldering.